Hello everyone, my name is GodfredTech, and in today's video, we will be looking to answer the question, is mechanical engineering a dead field today? People often ask me why I left mechanical engineering, and even go as far to ask if mechanical engineering is a dead field today, and they debate whether or not they want to pursue mechanical engineering. I mean, we see it all over the forums such as Reddit and Quora, and there has been articles written about this topic. So I decided to take a look myself and then share my thoughts on the matter. For a bit of context, I went to school for mechanical engineering. I also spent 2 summers doing internship work for Honda as a design engineer. I also was able to secure a full-time offer after graduating, but I ultimately chose not to pursue mechanical engineering and instead went into software engineering. Even though I chose not to pursue mechanical engineering right after graduation, that had nothing to do with the idea of me thinking that this degree is useless in any way or mechanical engineering is a dead field. It was far from it. And I hope the reasons that I share later on in the video helps to prove that point. With that all out of the way, let me present to you the reasons why mechanical engineering is not a dead field. And if you are someone who is considering mechanical engineering as your undergraduate degree, I hope that the reasons that I present persuades you into that direction. So the first reason is that the job growth and the job prospects of mechanical engineering is relatively high and awesome. So according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the mechanical engineering field is expected to grow by 7% by the year 2030, creating close to 30,000 jobs. So to me, that sounds like job security, right? If you go into this degree, this field is expected to grow and you will have plenty amount of jobs, positions that you can potentially fulfill if you choose to pursue mechanical engineering. And what goes along with that is a high-paying job. Mechanical engineers earn an annual median salary of $95,000, with the top 10% making over $136,000. So, number one, job growth is fantastic. Number two, you also get to make a lot of money. So you can see that pursuing this degree is not this field is not dead. Come on, guys. Another fantastic reason that goes along with the job growth and the job prospects is that this field has very, very low unemployment rate at, I believe, 0.8%. You will be able to gather a huge amount of skill sets while pursuing the mechanical engineering degree. Mechanical engineering degree as a whole really covers a broad range of engineering concepts. You will learn things such as statics, dynamics, electromechanical systems, heat and mass systems. You will also do some programming as well. You will also get to manage projects, so you can potentially become a project manager. So all these skill sets are things that you will gather while pursuing the degree. And what that allows you to do is it allows you to focus on one particular skill set and then maximize it. I just want to make the point that in any industry that makes physical products, a mechanical engineer will probably be present in that company or in that industry. So if you think about things such as computers, all the way to airplanes, all the way to gadgets, phones, cars, anything that is a physical product, a mechanical engineer has probably put their hands on that product in some way, shape, or form. I have friends who work in multiple different industries, such as the food industry, the automotive industry, the oil and gas industry, the computer industry. You can work in a lot of places with a mechanical engineering degree. And that is because of all of the skill sets that you could gain. And if you choose to maximize one, the sky is your limit. If you are someone who likes to learn, yes, I would say this field is essentially for you because you will learn a lot of things. But one thing about mechanical engineering is that because you learn so many things, you can sometimes fall into the trap of becoming a jack of all trades and a master of none. And I also say this specifically for the undergraduate degree of mechanical engineering and the way that it's structured. They try to push as much information into your brain as possible. To me, that is not really a detriment. if anything, that should show you that you have so many options to choose from. And at the end of the day, it really depends on the type of skill sets that you choose to focus on and maximize, right? So your mechanical engineering resume will look different from someone else's mechanical engineering resume. Maybe someone else wanted to focus more on the design aspect of mechanical engineering. They will have a bunch of design experience on their resume. But let's say you are more into the electromechanical systems, building feedback loops and things like that. Your resume will probably have a lot more projects covering feedback loops and electromechanical systems, right? So don't look at it as a detriment. Think about the fact that you have the opportunity to touch on all of these different domains, and then you can choose to maximize one. And if you do, the sky is the limit. You can actually choose to go into any industry that you want, except for finance. I don't know how a mechanical engineer will be good at finance, but except for finance. So to close it out, I want to leave you with this thought. Come into mechanical engineering with a skill set mentality, right? If you are a freshman or a sophomore currently pursuing your degree, think about it from the perspective of a skill set, right? You are building a particular skill set, and that skill set should be geared towards the type of career that you ultimately want to pursue. Okay, so yes, take all of these classes and take all the required classes that they will offer within your mechanical engineering degree, but in your resume, make sure that the skill sets that you're gaining are aligned with what you want to do at the end. So if you are someone who wants to work on designing cars using 3D CATIA because you took a CATIA class one time during your mechanical engineering degree and you thought this was awesome, start to take more CATIA classes, right? What that does is it focuses your experience into a particular skill set. And what that means is you are ultimately a very desirable candidate, right? So that is it for the video. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful. If you have any comments, please leave it down in the comment section below and I'll do my best to reply. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.